Okay, we're going to create here another pivot table. Here is insert, this one, and in this position. Okay, here we are, and then we're going to calculate the number of cells representative here. We count them, okay? So now we're going to select here this table and create, here is one. We can do like this. We're gonna insert here this one in the data, add this name is this one, okay, and this one is this. Okay, here we are. Then we're going to save this. We're gonna create, we're gonna format this. This is 100% and this is 0%. Okay, here we are, we create this. Then this one is frequency of quantities sold. Okay, we have this table. Okay, now we have all the we are going to create, now we can keep this here, so we have this one, and we are going to create a table to select, to identify each of these three charts. Okay, I will show you this in the next video. Now we have this chart connected to this, then we have this with this information, and this chart coming from this. Okay,